Sesisesikhathini esibi ngempela esinzima kakhulu. Yingakho sizithoba sihlaba phansi ngedolo sishweleza kophezulu nasemadlozini sithi maluju.
Indlela undunankulu asichaza ngayo isimo esifundazweni. Bangaphezulu kuka 62,000 abantu abasaphethwe iCovid-19 kulesifundazwe. Leli ke inani eliphezulu kunezinye izifundazwe. Undunankulu Zikalala uthi kuyakhathaza ukubona ke izibalo zabahaqwe lesifo zikhuphuka.
We are concerned about the late presentation to healthcare facilities by patients. We're noting that that people over-rely on homemade recommended solutions, such as steaming and use of traditional approaches. While these may be part of our arsenal in this war, we however appeal and encourage that if people test positive, they must try and reach healthcare facilities on time when means could still be done.
Uhulumeni uthi akulona neze iqiniso ukuthi imbhede igcwele esibhedlela. Uzikalala uthi zingu 11,000 izisebenzi zomnyango wezempilo ezihaqwe iCovid-19 kusukela ke yabikwa ezweni. Zingaphezulu kwekhulu esesishonile.
We're putting in place a plan that will ensure that we roll out vaccines faster when they become available. Our starting point is education and awareness, and debunking the myth that unfortunately surround the vaccine, because for us, this will be an important race to save lives.
Kusenjalo uhulumeni uthi uzoqhubeka nokuqinisa imikhankaso yokubheka ukuthi abantu bayayilandela na imithetho yeCovid-19. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba zeSABC ngiseThekwini.